Good morning. I'm at 20206 South Frankfort Square Road in Frankfort. I'm here at this condo I will be listing this week. I met with the seller here a few weeks ago and we made a plan to get the condo ready to go on the market. So he's been working diligently on it. He's cleaned up the condo quite a bit. We had some painting done, and today I'm meeting with him to see how it looks. We have a professional photographer coming here today, taking all the pictures for this listing, including some aerial shots, which is really helpful for buyers because they can get a feel for the area and the building itself. I'm also going to be taking some video of the inside of this property, and I will be posting it on all sorts of social media platforms, including Facebook and LinkedIn, and also my new YouTube channel, which is called Would You Know Real Estate by Ann Wood. So check it out. If you're looking for a condo in Frankfurt, reach out to me and you'll be one of the first to see this amazing place.